Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is May the 14th. This is Class 5 here at KIT Iizuka. This is English A2, third period. A few things that I have to go over with this week. Let's see. First of all, our warming up will be on Quizlet. And I want to show you how to do that because we had a little bit of trouble with that this morning in second period. But in any case, we're going to go to Quizlet first. And the assignments for this week, you have a few. Number one, you have the reading quiz, which is a little longer quiz than you are used to. Usually my quizzes are about 15 minutes, 20 minutes long. This reading quiz will be 40 minutes long, 40, because you have a long passage to read. Let me show you. Okay, so when you start the quiz, you're going to have this passage to read. And if you want to, you can listen to the MP3, and that will read out what is actually being discussed here. Then after you understand that, then you can answer these 15 questions. Now, you can read it and then answer the questions. And if you have to go back to the reading, that's fine too. You can keep this open and check the information that's in there. But make sure that you answer all 15 questions to get your top marks. And like all of my classes, you can take this up to 3 times. Okay. Now, after the reading quiz, these are the answers for the homework from last week. Okay, so last week, I gave you this homework that you had to do that was for chapter 1, pages 13 to 14. Okay, well, that was last week. This week, that homework, the answers are here, and you can download these photographs and take a look to see how well you did. In the same way, you have this week's homework submission number 2. This one will be on page 15. So do that, and I'll give you the answers for that next week. Okay? And then, as always, every week you have a reflection. This week's reflection is for a question. You don't have to watch the video. There's no video to watch. Okay? You just have to answer this question. Okay? What do you think is good about English language education in Japan? What do you think is bad about it? Think about that and write 2 paragraphs. One paragraph is 3 to 5 sentences, and write it on a piece of paper, take a picture, send it up to this reflection assignment. Okay? Yeah, and I think that's it. So you have your reflection, you have your homework submission, and you have a reading quiz. And those are the 3 things that you have to do this week. Now, this week, we have a Quizlet that you have to do. And I wanted to check to make sure that it's okay. So I'm actually going to call up my iPhone and connect to that right here. Connect to my iPhone. Come on. Okay, I'm going to connect to my iPhone, and I'll connect to Moodle. I'll make this a little bit bigger, too. And here we go. My courses and A2. Which one is that one? No, A2. I want the other A2. Oh, that's strange. It's okay. I'm going to use this A2, which I think is A215. It's not you, but I wanted to see that the Quizlet is accessible. So here's the Quizlet here. In second period, we had trouble connecting to this, and it looks like the same problem. So I'll have to show you a different way to access this Quizlet material because there's a problem with it right now, as it usually does. So I'll show you that. And by the way, just so I can record it here on the video, the way that you handle it is you go to Quizlet, you enter the title of the set, and that should come up in the Quizlet search function. And we'll do all of that after I do this video. If you have any questions about anything, remember, you can always contact me here. Come on. Contact me here at this email, jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come talk to me in class. Thanks very much, everyone. Let's have a good class.